How is everybody doing today? I'm Wooly, the crazy license plate guy. And this is mystery license plate package 303. We're going all the way to 1,000. We'll get there. Let's worry about 500 first and then 1,000. So 303. I feel like the top of the pile is going to serve us good today. It feels nice and heavy. Like I've been telling you in all the other videos. If you want to know more about the license plate, make sure you're following us on YouTube. Wooly the crazy license plate guy. And if you're just here on social media, wherever, whatever, it's all good. Hit a like, a comment, and subscribe. Tell everyone how much you like watching my videos. And check out this mystery license plate package 303. It's upside down. There's two plates here. There's two plates here. Anyways, first up we got Idaho State 5533S. Famous potatoes. The Bengals. And the good thing about flat plates is sometimes they stick together. These must all come from the same person. They all got these stupid stickers on them. Ugh. Anyways, Idaho. Wildlife. We got a fish. 375D. It's dirty. That one needs to be cleaned. Fish. The mountains. The Idaho Bengals. All this Idaho stuff. Where did it come from? Who is guilty of these stickers? Damn you. Anyways, let's put those on the wall. If you want to know more about the Bengals or about this fish, go over to YouTube. Because that's where it's going to be. Wooly the crazy license plate guy. You know how to find us. Right? One there. Right there. How's that look? Maybe one right here underneath this Montana. Go check out Montana license plate of the day too. It's always a good one. So that's where we're headed. Special features. Woo! Are you ready? Special features. Mystery plate package 303. We got two plates in this package for some reason. They were stuck together. So we'll start out first with Idaho State. We found an older Idaho State. Has a tiger on it. Way cooler looking. And a newer proposed Idaho State. I don't know if it's used yet. But it's just got the big IS for Idaho State on there. Along with this one above my head, you know. The one in the mystery plate package. 303. We're rolling fast. Oh, right, there's Idaho University, too. It's kind of boring. But this wildlife plate, we're going to jump right over to that because that trout, he's just going crazy. 375D, feed me some mosquitoes. Ah! There's lots of wildlife plates. We got an old bluebird. I believe you've seen that if you watch my videos from way back. It's in there. Same with this next one. This elk with that pink background. I believe we have that in the collection somewhere too. There's another elk, red background, and a super old school fish. Just jumping around, trouting it out. It's a trout life, you know. I showed you them elks, the pink and the red. I showed you the fish. I showed you the bluebird. There's another bluebird. And an even newer bluebird. The newest one looks awesome. Other than it being a flat plate, looks like a gnarly looking graphic, that bird taking off. And we got one more new fish too. Check out that trout jumping right out of the river, eating all the bugs. Ah! Trout crazy. It's Idaho. First Idaho State, then Idaho Wildlife. It's a mystery plate package. 303. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. That's all I got to show you about Idaho. Let's have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find some cool stuff. Go to school, go fishing, enjoy the wildlife, get an education, get into trouble, find some cool stuff, do whatever you want. It's your life, make your own decisions. But hit that subscribe button. Do it. Do it now. Okay, I'm out of here. I got more videos to make. So, see you next time. Woo! Shout out to alpka.org for the use of some of my photos in the video. Become a member today, alpka.org, the Automobile License Plate Collectors Association. It's all kinds of cool plates, cool people, awesome adventures. So sign up today. Go check it out. This is Mystery Plate Package 303. and I'm gone. Roar.